Hey, what's up, Monopoly fans? In today, we have got to talk about something that's been buzzing in the community, the infamous airplane mode glitch. Yeah, it's changed, and I have been getting a ton of questions about it. So let's break it down. So, if you have been using the airplane mode trick to control your roles, you might have noticed things are not working like they used to. The trick where you could change the multiplayer without messing up role sequence. Yeah, it's not the case anymore. The game's been updated and now changing the multiplayer completely shift the dice sequence. It's like the game is on to us. I know. It's frustrating. I was right there with you, scratching my head, trying to figure out what was going on. I even spent a couple of days trying out different setups, two devices, VPNs, you name it. I thought I had something figured out, but then just when I was about to wrap up a tutorial, the glitch started working like it used to. It's been a bit of roller coasters. One day it's broken. The next it's back to normal. It's like Monopoly Go can't make up its mind. And because of that, I could not get that tutorial out to you just yet. I don't want to get you something that might only work half the time. But here's the deal. I am not giving up. If the glitch act up again, I will right there, testing and figure out a new way to make it work. In the meantime, I want to hear from you. Are you still seeing issues with the airplane mode glitch? Drop a comment below and let me know. The more info we share, the quicker can crack this. So, I see you in the next video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.